Lot 157 is the 1954 Buick Skylark, the second year for this amazing halo car with even more extraordinary styling touches. More expensive than even a Roadmaster, it cost a staggering $4,300 back in 1954. The restoration of this car presents very well, as you'd expect, of an AACA Grand National Award winner, the 1954 Skylark.
Thank you very much. Telephones are coming through on the Skylark. What should we say? What do you want to open the bidding here? $60,000? Opening at $60,000. Nobody bid $60,000. Thank you. Now 70 anywhere in the room. I've got 60 bid already. Do I have 70 anywhere now? That's $60,000. Do I have 70? Well, there's no reserve. It's here to be sold, ladies and gentlemen. 70,000. Thank you, sir. 70,000. And selling at $70,000. Do I have $80,000 anywhere now? We're at 70,000 and selling to the room at $70,000. At 70,000. If there's nobody to bid, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to sell the Buick Skylark. Thank you. 80,000 for Mr. Weaver. 75. 75. Thank you. 75,000 I have. I've taken 75,000. Do I have 80 anywhere else now? At $75,000. At 75,000. Do I have any advance? Well, it's selling, ladies and gentlemen. 80,000. Thank you. 80,000 on the telephone at $80,000. At $80,000, there's no reserve here to be sold at just $80,000. Do I have 5 more from anywhere in the room? Well, I shall sell to the telephone, 85. Thank you. 85,000. Then Pete's got 85. Do I have 90 on my left now? At $85,000. Then do I have 90 anywhere now? At 85,000. Then at 85, it's in the room. You're out on the telephones at $85,000, and it's going for the first time. At $85,000, then I'm selling car 90,000. Thank you. 90,000. 95 if you like. I've got a new bidder at $90,000 on the aisle seated. At $90,000. 95,000. Thank you, Pete. 95,000. Do I have 100 from you, sir? At $95,000. Yep. $100,000 on the aisle. Thank you. At $100,000 now. 105 if you like. At $100,000. Do I have 105 now? At just $100,000. Do I have 5 more if you like? At $100,000, and I'm selling on the aisle. It's going for the first time. At 105, 110, sir. 110. No. Well, thank you for the bids. At $105,000, it's going here to the room for the first time. At $105,000, it's going for the second time, third, and last time. At 110 on the telephone. Thank you. At $110,000 now. You're out in the room. The bid's on the telephone at $110,000. Are you sure you're all done? At $110,000 then for the first time. At 110, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time. At $110,000. Sold your car for $110,000.